We were given this product, and it's a really cool product for the toilet. It's a curse almost that so many packages are put together so well. I have to spend a lot of time trying to open it. Now the box is confusing me because there doesn't... Oh, I get it. You have to go like that. Hello guys. I am unboxing a new product that a company sent to us. This is to put on your toilet to prevent it from stinking. It's a chemical-free air purifier. Chemical-free. It's clean. It's green. Look at that. It's clean as green. The website is NOMOnow.com. It's a no more odor. Easy to install. It's easily installed on the toilet in minutes and wipes clean with ease. And it vacuums and scrubs toilet air. In its complex AF filtration system, it returns it purified and odor-free to your bathroom. Intelligent design and operation. Always on, always ready. Lifetime filter. So it cleans the air all the time, as in you'll never have to replace it. Bottomless pit of stink, I guess, that you'll never have to worry about. And it has a rechargeable battery. Interesting. Wow. I'm really curious what this looks like. I don't believe the claim on the box that's only going to take a few minutes, man. I feel like this is going to take me an hour. But I guess that's not my area of talent, so get someone else to do it. Got more stuff here. What is this? I assume it all just fits together like Legos. Let's hope. Of course, I'll have to read the instructions to figure out what all this does. Right here. Right, so this is the filter. See that? This is the filter, the lifetime filter. Lifetime of stink avoidance. And then you put this down here. Boom! It's a twisting motion. And now I guess we'll have to charge the battery. Right down here, you see that? That's where this goes. And so this is where you go and charge it. How long do you need to charge it? We'll have to look at the instructions to see. This is supposed to charge for 6 hours before it becomes ready. And once you charge it for 6 hours, you can use it for 2 months without having to recharge it again. But see, as it's charging, it's going to go red. And hey, like the red camera back there. You wonder why I'm not filming with the red camera, right? Next time. Someone sends us a product and pays us also, then we'll film with the red camera. This is the final piece. This is what goes under your toilet seat, so that way it can fit, you see, like that. Once it finishes charging, it'll be green. This will be green and you'll know it's ready. You see this? And so it draws the air in through here, and it filters it, and it comes out through here. What you do is, you see this? You would have to take that toilet seat off, and you put this, you see these two little things? These two little things right here are gonna, that's where the toilet seat gets put on. And so once you do that, you see this little part here? What this does is, this creates a little vent area. It creates a little area for the smell to flow. The smell flows here into the little hole. And then as you're sitting on the toilet, your butt and the toilet seat create a little seal. So all the smell goes in here into the filter and it comes out. So suddenly all the smell gets filtered and you don't smell anything but fresh, breathable air. In Hank's toilet's case, you would have to pop the plastic thing out. And then once you pop the plastic thing out, you'd be able to put this on. My one criticism about this product is, you know how I'm an advocate of squatting to poop. This is gonna sound weird, it's gonna sound funny, but I'm saying it anyways. Humans were meant to squat. The reason why we don't take a shit when we walk is because we have a muscle there called the puborectalis muscle, I believe it's called. Basically, this is a muscle, a group of muscles that holds the poop in. So when you squat, like what I'm doing, you relax the muscle to the maximum. The problem with sitting toilets like this is that you're only half or maybe a quarter relaxing the muscle. That's why it's hard to poop when you're sitting down. The lower your toilet is, the closer your toilet is to a squatting position. That's why people get the squatty potty or other similar products, because it props their feet up and it's close to a squat. The problem with adding this is that you're raising the height of the toilet a little bit. So the higher your seat is, the less relaxed the muscle for your anus and your rectum is. Ultimately what I'm getting at is, for the sake of a smell, you're raising the toilet slightly and leading to long-term potential more damage to your lower intestine system. And some people say it's from the A down to the B, a continuous tube. So if one part of your body doesn't work that well, the rest of the body gets fucked up. Maybe we can compromise. Either NOMO design a product where it can somehow drag in the air without raising the seat a little bit, or maybe just put this next to your toilet. So you just turn this on, and you know, this isn't as effective as the seal, but at least this can get rid of some of the air. Since Hank's place doesn't have a fan, this can be the makeshift fan for now. There's 3 people living here. It's like a frat house. Sometimes there's like 5, 6 people. I don't want them all to start getting more digestional problems, because a few inches does that. I think it's a good idea. I just hope that they design something in the future that doesn't need and require your seat to be slightly higher. I'm not a designer, so for NOMO, if this is impossible, let me know. Maybe you get rid of this part, so that way you can just slide it in, so you don't need to raise the seat a little bit. So you get rid of this part. I know then it's not as steady. Just a thought. Either way, I recommend this product for people, let's say, who don't have any problems sitting on the toilet. If you sit on the toilet and you take like 3 dumps a day and you don't get hemorrhoids, then get this. But I'm the type of guy, if the toilet's too high, I fucking get hemorrhoids. So it might sound like I'm not a fan of this product, but I am, and I really want to recommend this for, I know a lot of ladies, for example, who you go to their house and they need to go take a dump. It's uncomfortable for them. They're like, oh, you know, there's this magical thing about women, and women shouldn't poop. So they go into the toilet, maybe they even turn on their faucet. So their faucet is running just so they can cover up the sound of them pooping. So this product, it's the natural airflow. It makes a sound. So in a way, it makes it very comfortable for people who are very nervous about them in the bathroom doing number 2 while other people are around. So this product could actually be used for a lot of people. You know, I don't care. I talk about poop all the time. This is something that I'm passionate about, because you know, if you fix the way you take a dump, you fix a lot of problems in your life. But some people aren't comfortable talking about that kind of potty stuff. So for anyone that needs some noise, so maybe this could even be used in public spaces. This would be something you turn on and then it creates some white noise, and maybe you poop with more ease. I have my reasons for giving it to my friend and not using this product, but I can see a lot of people who, let's say they're okay sitting on the toilet, they don't need to squat, and they need some white noise, they need the smell to go away. So it's still recommended. So for the makers of this product, thank you again for sending this to me. For everyone watching, there are reasons for using this product. I'm sure you guys can potentially find other reasons besides the things that I talked about. Even guys, they're like, yeah, you know, when some guy's around, I know he's in the other room, I just can't poop. And maybe this is a natural white noise. I'm a big fan of white noise. I sleep with white noise. I have a white noise generator. So maybe I could actually use this. I could put this could filter my air while I sleep. So I'll put this, and I'll use this as a white noise filter. Anyways, guys, if you want to send me products, please contact me. For the designers of this product, if you want to answer questions in the comment section or send us a FAQ, please do so. And for everyone watching, if you have any questions or comments, please let us know.